Hello, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Apple Watch through your phone featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, if you want to hard reset your Apple Watch through your phone, you need to go to the watch app and go to the general settings, as you can see right now, and go all the way down to find reset option. And as you can see, you can choose 3 settings, and if you want to hard reset your Apple Watch, you need to choose the erase Apple Watch content and settings. The iPhone is going to ask you, are you sure about doing this? So you're gonna click erase all and settings. And now you need to put the password to your account. Once you have put your password, you just need to click erase. Now the watch is going to unpair. And as you can see, the whole action on the phone has ended, and the watch is going to reset by itself, to hard reset by itself. And once the whole animation of loading is going to end, your Apple Watch is going to be hard resetted. And now, as you can see, your Apple Watch has hard resetted. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!